Hello. Today I'm going to talk about a pretty important and crucial part, which is the homosexuality, and how that topic or the conception about that topic have been changing during the time. As you know, there are a lot of theories about the homosexuality, social theories, religious theories, and scientific theories. For this video, I'm going to talk about the scientific theories and how these theories uh, deny all the myths that are based on homosexuality. First, I have a question for you. Have you ever looked for information about why a person is homosexual, gay, or lesbian? Have you ever talked to a person who is gay or lesbian, wondering why that person behaves in that way and why that person loves a person who is from his or her same or sexual orientation? Well, for this video, as I was telling you before, I'm going to talk about 5 myths, and those 5 myths are deny with scientific proofs. Well, the first myth that I'm going to take into account for this video is that the homosexuality is not natural, or that the animals are all straight, but that's completely false. Why? Because despite of the popular belief that every single animal is straight, there are some animals which have homosexual relations or homosexual behaviors, like penguins, dolphins, bisons, swans, and lions. For example, if you heard the news, there is a pretty important news which talk about a couple of lions which had some homosexual behaviors, and this is pretty important to avoid the belief that the homosexuality is a natural behavior. Well, the biologist Jane Marine from the Georgetown University had said that not every sexual act has reproduction function, but also function of being with the other one, to share time with the other one, even though it doesn't matter if it is a person, a human being, or an animal. The other myth is that the homosexual relationships don't last. But once again, some studies have proved that this is not true. Why? For example, a psychologist from the annual review of psychology, um, she Anne, her name is Anne, and she has said that the relationships among gay and lesbian people have last during a long times, and according to her investigation and her research that were developed during 12 years, she concluded that they have as strong relationships as the heterosexual people have. Also, John German from the University of Washington has conducted research in which he concluded that the homosexual relationships, lesbian and gay, have last lot of time, as well as the heterosexual relationships. Well, another myth is that most pedophiles are gay people, but that's completely false. Why? Because there are a lot of research which have concluded that it doesn't matter if it is a gay man, or if it is a straight man, they have like the same rate of abuse, could say. Well, the first one, the first, I'm going just to give you a sample, two samples of them, and the first sample is in 1994, a study led by Carol Jenny at the University of Colorado Health of Science investigate and survived 269 cases of children who were abused by adults, and she concludes that just the 82% of the cases those children were abused or molested by gay people. Also, there is another research made by the professor George Herrick of the University of Psychology of California, and he had concluded in his research that they it doesn't matter if it is a gay man or a straight man, they have like the same rates of being a person who it's likely to abuse a child. Another myth is that gay parents aren't as good as father and mother parents. I mean, some people or a lot of people believe that gay couples cannot grow up a child as a straight couple confirmed by a mother and a father can grow a child. But this is completely false. Once again, the the scientific studies have showed that it doesn't matter if a child grow up with a family conferred by two men or two girls, women, and this study was made by Tommy, which is a professor and psychologist at the University of California. And another study have showed another study made by the University of Washington have proved during during that research made with a lot of gay couples and straight couples that children grow equally with the same opportunities in life, but the only difference showed by this study was that those children who were growth in a gay family, lesbian or gays, had more better grades at school, and their empathy with the others were more good, were better. Excuse me, was better than the parents that those children who grow up in a family confirmed by a woman and a man. Another myth is that the sexual orientation about being gay or lesbian is just a decision, a matter of decision. So if you want to be gay, you just and you are willing to be gay, so you just go and you just be gay. But this is completely false. Why? Because there are a lot of theories which have shown that being gay it's more likely to happen when you are when the fetus is growing up in the womb's mother. Three of these theories are based on genes, hormones, and birth order. The first one, which is the genes, a study made and published in the journal Proceeding of National Academy of Science have shown in its results that genes have share some information which make a people gay. Those studies were made with a lot of twins with were both gay or straight. Hormones. There is a special hormone which is in the womb's mother, and um, this hormone try to feminize the fetus when the fetus is growing up in the womb's mother, and that is why the fetus are born with as an man, but he is likely to like men, or as well as with girls. Another theory it's based on birth order. Well, this theory about birth order is just based on gay people, I mean men, but no women. Why? Because this theory says that when you are the youngest son of a long, very long change of children, I mean, if there are five children, or five of the, if the mother has five sons, the son number five it's more likely to be in, of being gay. Why? Because of the hormone that I've just mentioned it before. Another theory is that there is an special hormone which is called testosterone, and the testosterone it's in the penis of the man, and when he's growing up in the womb's mother, there is not enough testosterone in his brain, and that is why he preferred to be with men as a couple when they grow up. And there are some beliefs, social beliefs, which state that being gay it's a mental disorder, but the American Medical Association, the American Psychiatric Association, the American Psychological Association, the American Psychologically Association, the American Academic of Social Workers Association have proved and have denied all of those lies about the possible mental disorder of a gay or lesbian person. Well, as a conclusion, I would say that definitely being gay is a matter of born, and that if you have a different perception about gay people, it's better to inform yourself, and it's better to look for some information and solve all of your doubts that you have about this topic in specific.